Friends, if you are looking for a crispy chicken nashta recipe that's easy to make and delicious, then today's recipe is for you. Perfect for evening snacks, tea time, lunch boxes, or even when guests suddenly arrive. Once you make this at home, everyone will ask for more. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Taste of Cooking and Baking. So let's make the recipe. First, I am taking 1 cup of all-purpose flour in a bowl. Now adding 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of oil, mixing everything well. And now I will gradually add water and make a soft dough. Friends, from which country you are watching my recipe, you can tell me in the comment section below. Your comments really inspire me to make more delicious recipes. Friends, keep the dough soft but not sticky. A soft dough helps make beautiful layers later. Now I will knead it for a few minutes until smooth and keep it aside while we prepare the filling. Now I am heating 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan, adding 2 tablespoons of chopped onion, 2 chopped green chilies. Let's saute them for a minute until they become fragrant. Now I am adding 1 cup boiled shredded chicken. Look at that beautiful texture. Next I am adding half teaspoon of red chilli powder, half teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of coriander powder and 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder. 2 to 3 tablespoons of water so the spices coat the chicken nicely. Now mix everything really well. Friends, at this stage the aroma is absolutely amazing. Now I am adding chopped tomatoes, 2 tablespoons and 2 tablespoons of fresh coriander leaves, mixing everything together. Now I will cook this for another 2 minutes. After 2 minutes the filling is ready. Now I will keep it aside and let it cool down completely. Now let's go back to the dough, taking a portion of the dough and rolling it out. Now I am spreading a corn flour and oil mixture over it. I had already prepared a simple mixture using 2 teaspoons of corn flour and 1 tablespoon of oil. Now I will fold it carefully and roll it again. Now I am placing some of the chicken filling in the center. Look at that delicious filling. Now folding everything nicely and sealing the edges. Friends, make sure not to overfill, otherwise it may open while frying. Now I am placing them into medium hot oil. It will help to cook the layers properly and gives a beautiful golden color. Slowly you will see the pockets puffing up and turning golden brown. Friends, after frying for a few minutes, you can see this beautiful golden brown color has appeared. This is exactly the color we are looking for. The outer layer has become perfectly crispy and the inside is nicely cooked. So now I will remove them from the oil. Crispy outside and packed with flavor inside. Friends, our crispy chicken stuffed pockets are finally ready. And just look at those beautiful layers. The outside is perfectly crispy while the inside is juicy, spicy and full of flavor. These are perfect for tea time, family snacks or even special occasions. Do try this recipe at home and let me know how it turns out. If you enjoyed today's recipe, don't forget to like, share and follow for more delicious recipes.